3 reasons you should avoid buying a black car. Thinking about buying a black car? It may look sleek, aggressive, and premium, but before you sign the paperwork, here are 3 reasons you might want to think twice. Reason number 1. Black cars get dirty incredibly fast. Dust, fingerprints, pollen, water spots, even a light layer becomes painfully obvious on black paint. You could wash your car today, and by tomorrow, it might already look neglected. Reason number 2. They absorb more heat. Black paint attracts and retains more sunlight, especially during summer. That means a hotter cabin, uncomfortable seats, and your AC working overtime just to cool things down. And reason number 3. Scratches and swirl marks are much more visible. Even careful washing can leave tiny imperfections that stand out against dark paint. Keeping a black car looking perfect often means more polishing, detailing, and maintenance. Now, black cars still look stunning when clean, there's no denying that. But before buying one, make sure you're ready for the extra upkeep. Would you still buy a black car, or is another color your pick? Let me know in the comments. So remember, black cars show dirt faster, get hotter, and reveal scratches more easily. Style comes with maintenance, and now you know the trade-off.